It's your boy Rico Styles back with another Don't Watch Me, Watch My YouTube. And right here, got another unboxing. These just came in today. I got these on sale, so I definitely had to pick these up. Voila. So I seen these, I was like, I like the color, nice little white, blue, um, off-white going on the bottom, the sole. And I think it has like some blue splatters going on, as you can see. So I paid I think $60 for these. And I was like, this is a nice little simple shoe that can go with a lot of things. I don't really have a lot of white and blue sneakers, but yeah, I already know this part right here is gonna get dirty because my Air Force Ones, all whites, be getting dirty. But yeah. The other shoe, quick review, simple shoe. These are in the women's section, so yeah, these go up to a size what 10 and a half men. Quality on these is average, same old, same old. But yeah. Like I said, quick review, just showing off the shoe. It's your boy Styles.